My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 MG ZS. This vehicle has done just over 24,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have our voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access our charging, Apple and Android CarPlay, radio and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Using our mode button, we can switch between our three different driving modes: Sport, Normal and Eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.